Hi, in this video, let me show you a few different tricks on how to fix your Bluetooth on your MacBook Air M5 in case it's disconnecting often, or maybe it's not connecting at all to your device. So the first thing you always need to do once you encounter an issue with your Mac is to click on the Apple logo and simply select Restart over here. Then confirm by clicking Restart. This fixes 90% of the software issues, believe me. So after doing a restart, try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device and usually it will work. Now, if it doesn't, let's go to tip number 2. So for the tip number 2 is to open the Bluetooth settings. I'll go the same way over here. I'll click the Apple logo, select System Settings. Then I'll click on Bluetooth. And what I suggest is to turn off Bluetooth. Leave it around 5 seconds and turn it back on. It will reconnect to your devices, and fortunately, after doing this simple trick, you won't have any issue. Now, if you're still having problems, the next thing to do is to delete the device you're having issues with. For example, if my problem was with, let's say, this one over here, this Bluetooth speaker, in that case, I will press the I icon beside it, and I'll select forget this device, forget device. So now it has been completely deleted from my MacBook. Next step is to put your device in pairing mode and reconnect it. So once it's in pairing mode, you should see it appearing over here under nearby devices. Click connect, and fortunately, again, you won't have any Bluetooth problem after doing this. Let's go to the next tip. So if you're still having problems, could be because of many different reasons. Another one is if you go in battery here, check low power mode is the first option. I suggest you select never, because let me just click on low power mode. I mean, it doesn't say it, but basically low power mode is when the battery of your MacBook is, I think, under 20%. In that case, the laptop will start prioritizing some tasks over others. And if you have some Bluetooth devices connected to your MacBook, there's a chance that the connection will cut often because it will try to save your battery in low power mode. So simply select never, and maybe this was the issue. Unfortunately, you'll be able to fix it this way. Next tip is to check if there is an update available. So over here in the left side menu, you can go and select General, Software Update, and if there is one, okay, pending, I suggest you click on Update Now. There's a good chance that this was a software problem and the update is able to fix it. So do this. And finally, the last thing I can recommend, if nothing worked, okay, is to do a factory reset of your MacBook. It will delete everything, so make sure you have a backup. But many times this is the only solution, and to do one you need to go into the general settings again in this system settings, and then select transfer or reset and click erase all content and settings. Go through the different menus. You'll have to select agree, you'll have to enter your Apple password, and yeah, the MacBook will be like a brand new one, and fortunately your Bluetooth will start working afterwards. If you have any other tips, or if one of these worked for you, please type a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.